Hey everyone, welcome to the Teach Computers channel. Here's what we're going to learn today: how to back up your Facebook photos or to Google Cloud. If you're anything like me, you're worried about losing your photos, especially ones like this one. Alright, so let's get started to copy the photos. So the first thing you do is make sure you're logged into your Facebook account, and you will come up to the top right here. And you'll go into your settings in privacy, and you select settings, and come over here on the left where it says your Facebook information. Select your Facebook information, and then you'll see some different options here. You can transfer a copy of your information or even download your information. What we're going to do today is transfer a copy of your information. So we'll come over to view, and we're going to choose the Google Photos option. And then we will pick the destination, which will be Google Photos, and we will select Google Photos. And in my case, I'm just going to do a specific album, but you can do all of your photos as well if you have the space. I'm going to choose the following album here and hit next. Then I will choose no videos for this time, and then I will hit next, and then I will connect to my Google Photos account. And I will choose my Google login, or you will log in here as well. And then you will hit continue. And then you will click start transfer. And then you will enter your password and hit confirm. And your photo transfer will begin. Right, now you'll be able to come over here and view your transfer. You'll get a notification when your transfer is complete, and now all of your photos will be in your Google Photos.